Hello, this is Julian from NI3D Print. I would just like to give a brief video to explain about the use of refill filaments. On the links on our website we have, you can download from Thingiverse the files for the Masterspool. The file is printed like this on the bed. All we need is a bed size of about 200 millimeters square. These were actually printed on a 0.6mm nozzle in recycled filament, and as you can see it's not too difficult of a print. So once you have printed your spool, the refills come in a small cardboard box. These are Fiberlogy Easy PLA refills. They're also available in PETG. The only other thing that you need is a pair of sharp snips for taking off the cable ties. The refill is opened like this. And it looks like this. Whatever you do, do not release the plastic cable ties that are visible. The refill should slide down onto the master spool. There are actually 3 slots for the cable ties to fit into. You press it down firmly so that it fits as level as possible. Take the other side of the spool and screw it in tight. I haven't actually screwed it quite on the whole way there, but you can see that the cable ties line up with the slots, the 3 slots. Now it's just a question of carefully snipping off the cable ties. Pulling them out. There we have a refill spool of filament. The excellent thing about this is that we reduce all of the waste, all of the wasted plastic spools. So there's no need to do any respooling. That's how a master spool works. You can see all the links below and purchase these from our website, ni3dprint.co.uk.